Hello, my name is Chris, and today I'd like to show you how to use a rotary floor machine. This is a Victor Contractor, and it is supplied with this attachment here, which is called the drive board, and this is used for attaching floor pads to the machine. So the drive board has a prickly face. The pad attaches like so. This is then fixed to the machine with the catch plate into this section here, which is called the drive pulley. So line that up to half turn anti-clockwise, and that's now fixed to the machine. If we have a look at the handle section, you have at the very top 2 safety switches. So you can't turn the machine on accidentally. You do need to be pulling one of these switches back into position. That is the main switch to operate the machine. You can use it left-handed or right-handed, depending on which you're more comfortable with. Underneath you have a loose handle here on this side, which is used for dispensing solution and chemical down if you have the additional tank fixed here. On the other side, this is the handle position lever, and this is designed to release this handle here, which is on a ratchet, so you can set it to the correct position for your height for operation. So we lift the lever up, pull the handle down to about this kind of position. So the idea is that you'll be using the machine like this, so your back straight, legs are straight, your arms are straight, and if you imagine that you're balancing a marble on the top of the machine, because it needs to be completely level with the floor. So all the weight then is in this section here, and the pad's completely level on the floor. To operate the machine, pull back the safety switch, pull this lever, and the machine starts. Raise the handle section and it'll move to the right. Lower the handle section, it'll move to the left, and it's used in this left to right motion. At any point, if you need to stop the machine, just release the switches and it instantly stops. At the end of use, always take the drive board off. This will prevent the machine from warping the drive board if it's left on. Take the pad off and then you can clean that, reuse it again. Drive board can be stored at the rear of the machine, like so, and that's how you use a rotary machine.